There is nothing quite as frustrating as a diesel engine that refuses to start on a cold morning, or one that coughs and sputters while spewing black smoke out of the tailpipe. If you are facing these symptoms along with code P067E, your truck is telling you that the glow plug circuit for cylinder number 6 is having a low voltage issue. Unlike gas engines that use spark plugs, your diesel relies on intense compression and heat to fire. Glow plugs are little heating elements that sit in the cylinder head and get red hot to help ignite that fuel mixture when the engine is cold. When the computer tries to warm up cylinder 6 and sees the voltage drop too low, it sets this code. A lot of people mix these up with spark plugs, but they function very differently. The low circuit description is a huge hint. It often means the flow of electricity is being interrupted. The most common culprit? The glow plug itself has simply burned out, just like a light bulb eventually does. But before you just throw a new part at it, you need to be smart. First, make absolutely sure you have identified the correct cylinder. Cylinder numbering can vary wildly between a V8 Ford Power Stroke and an inline-6 Cummins, so check your service manual diagrams carefully. Once you are at cylinder 6, inspect the wire connector. These connectors get baked by engine heat and can become brittle or corroded, leading to a bad connection. If the wiring looks good, you can test the glow plug with a simple digital multimeter. You are checking for resistance. A good glow plug will have very low resistance, while a bad one will often show an open circuit. A pro tip that many manuals skip: test your fuses and relays under load if you can. A fuse might look okay visually, but fail when electricity actually tries to flow through it. If the plug tests bad, replace it, but be gentle. Glow plugs can snap off in the head if you force them, turning a 20-minute repair into a nightmare. If the plug is good, you are likely chasing a wiring break between the glow plug module and the engine.